Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making Bircher Muesli. What is Bircher Muesli? It's something that I usually order in a restaurant, and it's usually a combination of dried fruits and oats and has some milk in it, and it's a lovely thing. But you know what? It's so easy to make. And this recipe adds in Greek yogurt, which ups that protein count, which we all want. Comes together so quickly, and it's just going to be easy to make. The origins of Bircher Muesli actually come from a doctor, Bircher, back in like 1900 or so, who wanted his patients in the hospital to eat something more nutritious. And so that's why he started combining the oats and the fruits together. And it created this. Again, we're upping the protein in this one. Of course, I was inspired by this song. We're making oats, we're making Bircher Muesli. Ole, odele, creamy overnight oats. First things first, you're gonna want to grate your apples. So these are grated apples that you'll see here. Yum. Let's toast your oats, medium heat, about 3 to 5 minutes until they start to smell nutty. The oats are smelling very fragrant in a good way, and you can see that they have deepened in color, so they are just about ready to go. Add in your other dry ingredients, cinnamon. Add in your dry fruit, your choice. I'm using raisins and dried cherries, maple syrup, apples, yogurt, cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or even overnight in your refrigerator. All right, it's been in the refrigerator overnight. Let's take a look at it. It looks great. You can tell that it's a little firm, which is great, and you can loosen it up with a little bit of milk of your choice. The dried fruit is mixed in equally throughout, along with those apples. Let's get some in a bowl. I am not going to add some milk to this because I like the thick consistency. So we're going to add some in there. Looks great. Smells great. Totally optional, but I'm adding some roasted almond slices on top. I'm actually going to add some blueberries too. Let's take a close look at this Bircher Muesli. So you can see that it is a thick consistency, sort of like oatmeal would be. And I had put those almonds and those blueberries on top, but it's all in the taste. So let's give it a try. I'm not even going to get the blueberries in here because I don't want that to sway my opinion. You can definitely taste those oats that are warmed up and toasted with the apples coming through, sort of like a very rich applesauce in all the right ways with oats in it. I'm not even sure how to describe it. It does taste like a restaurant quality muesli if you've ever had it. And again, you could thin this with some milk in it of your choice. This is absolutely delicious. I will absolutely be eating this for breakfast and or maybe lunch and possibly even dinner. It's that good. If I can make this Bircher Muesli, the creamy overnight oats, for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen anything that I've used in this video, feel free to check me out on my Amazon storefront in my bio. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more, like really a whole lot more.